Hey guys, and welcome to the Akinon's YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn how to remove trailing places from a string. So let's get started. I have command prompt where I have opened the Python interpreter and we are going to write some code. So first thing is, let me declare a variable called as s, and that will be equal to a string saying hello world. And I'll leave some spaces and add some trailing space. So as you can see, there's a quite lot of trailing space, and if I print s, you can see the trailing space is still visible. Now I'm going to use the method that is strip over the string, and now if I press enter, as you can see, the backward trailing space is removed. Likewise, if I create another variable called as s, and now I'll add some forward space and use the same string, that is hello, and add some end space. And now if I just print s all over again, as you can see, we can see the forward as well as the backward trailing space. And now all I need to do is use the same function, that is s.strip, and the forward and the trailing spaces are no more present. So that's it. Using the strip function, you can easily remove spaces, that is from the leading position of the string or the trailing position of the string. If you like this quick video, don't forget to drop a like and share it with your friends, and subscribe to the Akinon's YouTube channel for more fun and quick Python tips.